Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. All right, really excited because today I have the opportunity to share with you the GlossyBox for the month of November. I am so excited that this is how their boxes arrive in this outside box, and then inside the box there is a gorgeous box like this inside. This is something that is gifted to our channel here, and it is one that I highly recommend. This is one that I also have the opportunity to have some links for that I leave in the description box down below, so you can pick and choose which one fits your needs. What's great about this box also is that if you choose to lock in for a full year to be able to get the price that is the best deal, they only bill you monthly, which is fantastic, and I never heard any other box do that before GlossyBox. So excited to be able to share that with you. So this is the classic box that we receive. It is a hard shell box, and when you open it up, the inside is just as beautiful as the outside, and it's always packaged so well with ribbons, tissue paper, squigglies. The presentation is so beautiful before you even get into the actual phenomenal products that they've put inside. And this now, a lot of the products that I'm reaching for have come out of these glossy boxes because I have not had the opportunity to try some of the brands, but there are some brands in here that I cannot wait to share with you because they're ones that I've shared with you on the channel and I've enjoyed so much. You do get a booklet with this, as well as inside here, it gives you what the prices are, as well as a little description about the brands and the products. So excited to be able to share that with you as well. All right, let's get started. So this month, like I said, is for the month of November. And the other thing I wanted to share is GlossyBox is a UK box, but the box that we get in the US, the products are completely different. So they come out of the USA. So those, if you see GlossyBox, make sure that when you're looking for it, look for GlossyBox US if you are in the US. If you are part of my UK viewership, which, hi, your box, you'd have to find a different channel to watch to see what would be in your UK box. All right, okay, so here we go. So they also have phenomenal this time of year, some limited edition boxes. I've also had the opportunity on my channel to show you the gorgeous advent calendar, which has introduced me also to so many brands that I'm enjoying so much right now. So if there might be, I think I've even added a link there that not only can I give you a discount for the actual box, but it's a discount also if you're interested in that advent calendar as well. And I will try to leave it linked, the actual video of the advent calendar, in the description box down below, as well as those links so you can choose what price fits your needs, because this is definitely a box that I highly recommend. So let's get started on the GlossyBox and what we have for the month of November. The first product that we're starting with here is from this brand called Chella. And this is a brand that I've shared with you already on my channel. It is one that I really enjoy. And I checked my stash and I already have a couple of quads as well as the full size from this brand. And these are colors that I do not own yet. So excited to be able to swatch these for you and share them. So this is the travel size, and this one says it's called the Manifest Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. They're saying there are 4 shades of this palette. In here they have charisma, radiant, purpose, and intention, and they will transform you into the glam, confident version of yourself. It has buildable and highly pigmented. This palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow, and they're saying it is a $20 value. And then simply the pro tip on this is you can use pigments separately, or you can blend them together for a more sophisticated look. So let me show you. This is what this looks like here. We're going to do a couple of swatches, and you'll see I'm just dipping into this once. That's how gorgeous these colors are. I'm impressed with this Chella brand. So much so that I've had, like I said, the opportunity to get it in these quads. And when it was available in the full size, I grabbed that palette as well, because the colors are just those standard classic colors, but the color payoff and the longevity of these shadows on my lids were just spectacular. And you can see just from those swatches alone. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to get a different color quad from this brand. The next one is the brand that I got introduced to through GlossyBox, and I'm enjoying it so much. I'm currently using the serum from this brand, and I'm so happy that GlossyBox introduced me to this brand. And now you guys, if you get this box, you'll get introduced to it too. The brand name is called Figs and Rouge. This is a full-size item. There's also 5 items in this box, and 3 of them, just based on the information on the card, are all full sizes. So this one here, and this box you can get for also under $20. I don't even know if I mentioned that, but like I said, the discounts could even get it even lower than that. So I want to make sure that you guys check the links that I have down below. So this one here says it is a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. They're saying this primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion to completely matte perfection. It's silicone free, pore minimizing, and anti-blemish. The qualities absorb your oil, so you will have a beautiful smooth finish without any breakouts, which is fantastic. And they're saying this is a $52 value. It's such an expensive line, but it's so result driven. And like I said, I'm currently using the serum now. And what I love about it is my skin just drinks it in, and I'm ready to go on to the next step so quickly. I'm just so impressed with this brand. So it says, after cleansing, this is their tip, apply evenly over your face before applying your makeup. It's a primer. So this is what it looks like here. There was no safety seal on this, so it was easy for us to open up. I will show you what the consistency of the product looks like there. That is the pink tone to the product, but as soon as you even touch it, it immediately melts into your skin, and the color is just clear. And that is how beautiful that is there. So really, really, really excited to have the opportunity to try something else from this brand, because I'm absolutely blown away by it. So excited. So that is the second item. The next item that we have in here is a brand that, if you're part of my channel, you know how much I love this brand. It is called Vita Bread C12. That is the name of the brand. What we're getting in here, and it came in this box, is this item here. I have and enjoyed right down to the end, which means I was seeing results from the product, this brand, from their cleanser, their serum, as well as their moisturizer. And when I had the opportunity with another box to choose this, I chose the entire brand to be able to test the whole brand, because I was new to it. And this now is a brand that I share with you guys, that if you see it, I highly recommend it. So this one here is also full size, and this is their Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. It's infused with plant-derived extracts. This facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's formulated with a powerful antioxidant blend of cacao oil and a proprietary, the Vitabrid CG, which is an active vitamin C. And that will help and clear and give us a more radiant complexion. This is a $48 value on its own. And this here is simply, the tip is to scoop a generous amount and massage on dry skin and rinse thoroughly. If you're not familiar with balms, they go on just beautifully. This one has a scooper, and I always recommend to use the scoopers, because this looks like a solid, but as soon as you take it into your hands, the warmth of your hands will melt it, because of the oils are in there, and it helps break down your makeup. And then you simply either wipe it off or rinse it off, whatever you're more comfortable with, and then you go in with your regular cleansers. But this step makes such a difference, because first of all, the proprietary in here is vitamin C, and it is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'm so excited to now have the opportunity to try something else from this brand, because everything else that I have tried, I really enjoyed. All right, and now the next item here is a perfume sample. And this one here is from this brand called Commodity, but the perfume in here is called Paper. And this one says it is a lightweight, effortless paper, opens with ISOE Super, a unique and woody molecule note. Then as the minute passes and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice the skin musk that will follow by a soft, sweet trail of amber. I love those scents. So this is a deluxe mini. They're saying it's worth $10, and the full size of this is $105. And the top tip is to spray it on your wrist, your neck, your elbow, and your creases. It's this component inside here is what came in that box. What I did, because I already have perfume on, I sprayed it on the card, and I love these to travel with. I share that with you all the time. And these are so much larger than those little samples that we're so used to getting. This size will last you, and it's fantastic to always keep in your purse. So this one here, like they said, is a $10 value, and I sprayed it on the card just so that I can get exactly what the scents are on this. But as you know, when you spray perfume on your own body chemistry, it will be completely different than what I'm smelling on the card, but it will at least give me an idea of what it smells like. And you definitely smell the amber. It is definitely a sophisticated scent. To me, it is very sophisticated is the right word for it. It's really, I'm enjoying it, and I'm so happy that I put it on the card, so now my room smells like this. It is a very strong scent, and it is one that I don't think will linger, but they're saying that as it goes, other notes will start to come out. So I will definitely, when I'm not wearing perfume, test it on myself to see what the actual scents and how long throughout the day they last. So really excited about that. And then the final item that we got in here is this item in here, came in this box with the cutest packaging ever, and it's called Cherie, and that is what it looks like here. And this is the fantastic component that was inside, and this is from this brand called the Beauty Crop, and this is a full-size item as well, and it's called Cherie, and it is a lip oil, and it says "C'est bonjour to your new lip obsession." This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you that custom shade. It's perfectly suited to your skin tone. It also keeps your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. This is a $12 value. And the pro tip on this is to apply to your lips liberally, layer to intensify the tint based on your desired look. These usually give me like a pinkish tint to it, and the smell of this is scrumptious. It smells like cherries to me. So really, really beautiful. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here so that you guys can see how the pink starts to come out. I'm gonna dip again, and I'm gonna go over it another time so that you guys will be able to see the intensity. And it's actually a beautiful, beautiful pink. It is a really, really stunning, stunning color. So really excited to have the opportunity to try this on my lips when I'm not wearing lipstick, but just based on this swatch, I think it is going to be gorgeous. So really excited about that. Like I said, this is a box that I am so, so impressed with. And the items that we're getting, if you're getting 3 full-size items and the prices are so high and the quality of the brands are so there, as well as introducing me alone to so many new brands with all the boxes that I get, it is so nice to be able to see brands that I didn't know about that now have become my favorites, as well as brands that I'm already enjoying, but I haven't tried that product yet. So everything has been an absolute winner. They also have in the box where you get some extra little goodies in here, where they have a code for 16 free meals with HelloFresh. They have something from Shutterfly, as well as for a wine voucher. So there's all these extra little goodies that they put in the bag, but this one alone, I think, is fantastic. So just to recap, we got this beautiful eyeshadow quad. We have a gorgeous primer. We have a cleansing balm. We have a perfume, as well as this lip oil. Please share with me in the comments down below if you already get GlossyBox. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share in the comments down below also what your experience has been with them. I, like I said, have been really impressed with this box, and I'm so happy that they choose to share their box with us here on the channel so that I get the opportunity to play with the products and then review the products for you, as well as share them with you as well. So make sure to check all the links in the description box down below. If this is a box that interests you, like I said, they give these discount links that I think are fantastic, and there's a few different ones based on what you're more would want to spend. I have down there. There's some that are a discount with the box and the advent calendar. There's one alone that the box could be $16, and there's some where it's for $1 for 12 months. So whichever one fits in, if this is a box of interest to you, those links are available to you to use. All right? Take care, everybody. Stay well. And once again, thank you so much to GlossyBox. I appreciate it so much. Take care, stay well, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.